So today I am at the Tesla Service Center in Salt Lake City because I had a little bit of an incident with my tire the other day. So I parked in this little corner spot the other day and it was super freaking dope. It parked in there, it was super tight, like a super tight squeeze, and it got in there like so easy. So I was so excited. So that spot was available again. I went back to park there. Yeah, no, it was horrible. I was letting FSD do its thing, so it started like hesitating. It was going like front, back, right, left. I was just like, whatever, it's fine, I'm sure, right? No, it freaking, when it was going up, it hit the curb. I got so scared, and then when it started reversing, it was scraping, and then I took over, and then it just made it worse. So yeah, it was pretty freaking bad. So now I'm here to fix this. When I took over, it was horrible. It scraped so bad, and this. I mean, it's not that bad, right? Yeah, so it's pretty disappointing. I'm very annoyed with myself. I probably should have taken over sooner. I do take full responsibility for that. We're gonna get that fixed today. I will show you the results when we're done. So like I said, we're in Salt Lake City at the Tesla Service Center. We are meeting Salt City Wheels here to get the curb rash repaired. They are a mobile wheel service, and it's really, really cool that Tesla has allowed us to get it done here. And this is where it's going to get repaired. So yeah, shout out to Salt City Wheels. Shout out to Tesla Service Center for letting us hang out here while I get my curb rash repaired. And also a huge shout out to Salt City Wheels. They did amazing on my wheels. They look better than new. I'm so happy with them. If y'all are in the Salt Lake City area, if you're in the surrounding areas, I drove over here. I'm like 2.5 hours away. It was worth it. They did so good. If you have any curb rash, any issues with your wheels, I highly recommend them. I will put their link in the description down below. Overall, it was a super great experience, super smooth. So I'm very happy with the results. But yeah, I hope to never see them again because I'm gonna be super careful. I'm going to be a lot more cautious. Finally wrapped up, get to go get some food. Probably gonna get some In-N-Out burger. I think that's what I'm gonna do.